Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Uselo Shozi Umamaka Andile. I'm playing. But then she recently posted a post as he Nkulunkulu for uphendule imithandazo yakhe, and then I'm making a confirmation. And we all know ukuthi the only thing that will make Uselo a happiest woman like emhlabeni it's Umamkhize. So later on that day, Uthami posted this post ngenkathi and we all know ukuthi uThami no-Andile abathandani that much, and abafanelani. U-Andile bekathandana noSithelo and he was so abusive. KuThami it's like ifosiwe mani lento lena. We all know, like nale moto abamthengele zona bamthengele just ukuthi balaye uSithelo, because remember when uThami came into the picture, uSithelo was doing ama-lives ku-Instagram ahlala athi yena umfazi ka-Andile, blah 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 blah. And then all of a sudden suka khona kwapostwa uThami kushadwa ngapha ba-Andile batshelana buthobeka. And ngisho uSithelo bekasafocus kuthobeka Majozi, the ex ka-Casper, and then Mamkhize just went through wathi dza I'm surprise. And then wayenza ama-clapbacks uSithelo, as we all know, Peter Baby Mamas senza kanjena. And then uSibahle usisi is it usisi, yeah, usisi ka-Andile wamphendula wathi yena bekangayazi indaba yokuthi u-Andile uyalobola or whatsoever. And recently I don't see as u-Andile posta ulona uThami. I don't understand why, since nje le drama i-raiding. But guys, sizothini shem, Selabantu is happy nesidudla sakhe, and isidudla sakhe was dating uMihlali. Yes, he was dating uMihlali Ndabase. Ndabase waze wathi uzomsuka lo baba lona makazophosta ivideo yabo. Yes, Mihlali Leroy. And also the guy was dating uFaith Gates. Ngamthathela nemoto. Like, I don't know guys, but uSithelo attracts the wrong kind. Like, I attract the right guys, let's be honest. And she's so beautiful. She should be focusing on her children, but also she's also young. She's like mncane 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 kumele nje ajole. But ku-Andile she was not fit, and not ukuthi bekangekho fit, it's just that uMamkhize bekangamthandi. Yeah, we would say that bekangamthandi. That's why besekabhala ukuthi umntanakhe akanababa until by the DNA test, so on and so forth. So yeah guys, that's all I have for you today. It's just a brief up. Thank you for watching guys.